You just got to put the new one on. Push that on as far as you can by hand. And then we're just going to take a socket and a hammer and tap it into place. If you want to know how far should you put it on, it's till these surfaces are flush with the motor shaft. Just like that. Now that you have that half of the coupler on, we just need to remove the old one from the transmission and put the new one on it. So when you go to put on your new coupler, it's the same process as we did with the motor. It's just really, really important that you do not hammer this coupler on any further than flush with that shaft. So don't be concerned about putting your coupler on. You're just going to tap it into place with your socket and hammer. We're just going to be mindful of how far down we put it. And there we go. If you don't drive it on far enough, you'll get a lot of resistance when you try to mount the motor and coupler back together because there's just too much pressure trying to squeeze it together. So it's important you get this one flush and the other one on your motor flush.